Hey everyone! In this video, we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding Envo L60 and its surprising second-hand listings appearing online. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on the EV market and beyond. We're seeing a surge in second-hand Envo L60 listings appearing all over the internet in China. So, what's really happening? We're going to break it all down and also take a look at the latest delivery numbers and insurance registrations. But before diving into that, I need to share something interesting from the NIO app. A rather amusing incident occurred where NIO's Guardian mode caught someone in the act of scratching a vehicle with their keys. Yes, even in China, we have individuals engaging in such behavior. Thanks to Guardian mode, the perpetrator was caught in action and subsequently apprehended. It's a fascinating example of how modern technology is being used to enhance vehicle security. Now, moving on to insurance registration data. NIO recorded 104 registrations, while Envo had 374. However, it's worth noting that last week was Chinese New Year, a period when many people are on holiday. Despite this, companies like Li Auto managed to register 3K to 4K vehicles, raising questions about why NIO's numbers were lower. Some might argue that NIO employees may have taken a longer holiday, which could explain the discrepancy. Additionally, a decline in deliveries might be attributed to customers holding out for the upcoming NT 3.0 or version 2.5 models. Let's shift our focus to the second-hand Envo L60 listings that have been making waves. The initial reports on this matter surfaced through Decker, a well-known source in China. To be clear, I am simply relaying publicly available information and not making any personal claims. The curious aspect of these listings is that while they are marketed as second-hand, they instruct buyers to complete their purchase through the Envo app. Normally, when purchasing a pre-owned vehicle, transactions occur through dealerships or private sellers, not the manufacturer's app. Another major point of interest is the significantly reduced prices compared to the original market value of a new Envo L60. This substantial price difference has raised eyebrows, even among individuals outside of China. In China, it's common for manufacturers to sell vehicles in bulk to dealerships, effectively using this method to move high volumes of stock. Companies like NIO and Li Auto also follow this practice. However, this theory doesn't entirely explain why buyers are required to finalize their purchase through the app. While bulk sales are certainly happening, it's unlikely to be the sole explanation for the peculiar listings. Another possible reason is that some individuals may be leveraging Envo's trade-in program. Here's how it could work. An individual trades in their old vehicle and receives a subsidy, let's say 20k RMB. Instead of solely using the subsidy for their new car, they list an Envo L60 online at a price 20k RMB lower than usual. This allows them to attract a buyer while personally pocketing a portion of the subsidy. This approach would benefit both parties. The seller gains financially, while the buyer secures a discounted vehicle. The most plausible explanation is that Envo employees, particularly sales representatives, are behind many of these listings. Employees are often eligible for discounts, typically around 20k RMB. By purchasing the vehicle at a discounted rate, they can resell it at a slightly lower price while still making a profit. Additionally, employees who successfully facilitate sales through the app could be working toward their individual or showroom sales targets. Many of these vehicles are showroom models or test drive units, with mileage under 500 km, making them nearly brand new. Since buyers must place their orders directly through the app, it strongly indicates that Envo sales representatives are using this method to sell more cars. It's a creative way to increase sales, but there is no evidence of fraudulent activities like faking orders. If there were fraudulent activities, the registration numbers would be significantly higher than they currently are. Ultimately, these strategies appear to be legitimate approaches to selling Envo L60 through alternative sales channels. With the Chinese New Year holidays slowing things down, deliveries will likely rebound soon. However, NIO might continue seeing slightly lower numbers as customers anticipate the arrival of newer models. ONVO, on the other hand, could experience a strong resurgence in sales post-holiday, especially with these various sales strategies at play. While these unusual second-hand listings may have raised concerns, they seem to be the result of employees and dealers finding innovative ways to sell cars. It will be interesting to see how these tactics evolve and how the overall market responds in the coming months. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.